Today we're at the Splitsville bowling alley in Disney Springs. We're going to check this out. We have not been here before. Okay, they have bowling lanes up. Big area they have up here, bowling lanes in different areas. Got more over there. So they have pool tables over here too, next to these bowling lanes. As you can see, we are up on the second level. And they are getting ready for a private event, so this area is now closed. Okay, just be aware that on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock, they do close for private events a lot. So come here before, say 2 on a Tuesday afternoon. Because at 4, it's closed for a private event. And that's most Tuesdays.